Hello. So, if I had to pick two of the employees to let go from their job, the first person I would pick is Amy. This is because she's only been working there for 1 year and her job skill is just average. I also chose her because she is married and has no kids, so it won't be as big of a burden if she does get laid off from her job. Um, she's only been there a year, which makes it a little bit easier as well. The second candidate I would pick, this one was a bit hard of a decision to make, but I ended up choosing Craig just because he's been working at this job for 10 years, yet his job skill is still just average when there's other people who have been working there less time and have excellent job skills. Um, he's also single and makes the most money out of anyone else that works there while having less of skills than other people. Um, so if he gets laid off, it will also be easier to support himself because he is single and only supporting himself and no one else. I was going to choose um, Sandra because her work skill is poor, but I had a little bit of sympathy because she is 45 and a single mother with 3 kids. And if she loses her job, this could affect her kids as well, which I do not want to happen. So that is why I decided to pick Craig over her. Thank you.